RA 9262. Who can file a case under RA 9262? A case under RA 9262 can be filed by the following individuals. Number 1, the woman victim. This includes women in any of the following relationship: wife or ex-wife, girlfriend or ex-girlfriend, live-in partner or ex-live-in partner. Number 2, any person with personal knowledge of the offense. Examples include family members, neighbors, or law enforcement officers who directly witnessed the abuse or its effects. Who can be charged under RA 9262? The law allows cases to be filed against the husband or ex-husband, boyfriend or ex-boyfriend, live-in partner or ex-live-in partner, father of the victim's children, biological or otherwise, depending on the relationship context.